Tired of having your fake plant look really fake? Here's fake plants that fool everyone, and here's how to do it.
Crunch up a lot of packing paper and fill up your pot.
Gently put in your fake plant. Now that you've put your plant in, you have your packing paper down, you want to add your potting mix. This is the best one. This is the Miracle-Gro Tropical Potting Mix. I laid down some of the extra packing paper because it gets kind of messy. But just go ahead and pour it in all around the whole plant. You can see how nice this potting mix looks. You want to get it like right below the top. So you can see this layer right here. That's probably about perfect. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just go around the entire plant. We've already pre-fluffed this tree because it takes a while. What you want to do is you want to put a hand underneath and one on top, and you just want, like, there's metal inside of this. So you want to take it and curve the branches because natural branches would be curved over. Don't be worried to just kind of pull on these branches a little bit. You want to get them so that the tree actually takes up a lot of space. It's not just like curved sticking up. That's going to make it look fake. But once all the branches start coming out, it's going to look very real. You need any inspiration, go online, look at the real version of the plant, and then just fluff your plant to make it look the same way.
Now you have an amazing fake plant. So for more ideas from your favorite mother-daughter team, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.